Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new in here, my name is Sugata. Welcome to my channel. In today's episode, I am going to share with you how to lose weight with pineapple juice. This drink is super effective and burning fat will help to lose weight up to 10 to 15 kilos in 15 days. So without any further ado, let's get started. For this episode, I am going to use some pineapple. This fruit is available throughout the year and not at all expensive. Next ingredients is ginger. Ginger can work along with a healthy diet and exercise to help you reach a healthy weight. Ginger is typically used with other ingredients when weight loss is the goal. Second ingredient is cucumber. I am using 1 cucumber into it. It has zero fat and low calories. It helps reduce bloating and keeps your body cool. Please do not peel the skin. I am using organic cucumber. Wash them well and add the pieces into it. Cucumbers are low in calories but contain many important vitamins and minerals, as well as a high water content. Eating cucumbers may lead to many potential health benefits, including weight loss, balanced hydration, digestive regularity, and lower blood sugar levels. It contains magnesium, potassium, and vitamin K. These three nutrients are vital for the proper functioning of cardiovascular system. Here I am using 2 cups of fresh pineapple pieces. It increases metabolism and helps to burn belly fat. It also improves digestion and also decreases fat formation and is low in calories. It is a great snack because of its delicious flavor and low calorie sweetness. One slice of pineapple has only 42 calories, out of which just 4% is carbs. It contains both soluble and insoluble fiber, which helps you lose weight by keeping you full for a long time. Pineapple is filled with antioxidant, fiber, and water, which keeps you full and hydrated at the same time. Pineapple is filled with manganese that regulate the metabolism of fat and carbohydrates in your body, thus promoting weight loss. A study also found that intake of manganese is inversely proportional to belly fat. Now I am using a piece of peeled ginger measuring 2 inches. Ginger gives a feeling of fullness and suppresses obesity. It helps food digest faster and helps low fat. Take a blender and add 2 cups of fresh pineapple, cucumber, ginger, and add 2 cups of water into it. Pineapple has a good content of water in them, thus it helps in hydration. Also, if your body is hydrated enough, then losing weight becomes really easy. Have a glass of pineapple juice after your exercise or even in between your meals to tame your cravings. Even pineapple doesn't have a significant effect on your metabolism. It's a good snack choice because it is low in calories, high in important vitamins and minerals, and doesn't include saturated fats. A medium-sized cucumber has only 24 calories, which makes it a very low-density food. Making such foods part of your diet is beneficial for weight loss because they fill you up at less number of calories. Fill the blender with 2 cups of water. Blend everything is nicely done. Don't forget to follow me on my Facebook page and Instagram. The link will be in the description down below. It will be nice if you follow me there so we can chat a little bit more. Lastly, add some fresh lemon juice and give it a mix. Now size 0 drink is ready. This recipe will give you 2 servings. Store the second serving into fridge for later use. You need to have first drink, and that is about 500 ml of this drink on an empty stomach, and second drink before going to bed. That means you have to finish of the entire 1 liter drink in a day. This drink is safe for all and it is very refreshing and light. You definitely love its taste. If you take any medicine empty stomach, then have them 30 minutes before you drink this. It's a no salt, no sugar drink. Not even substitute like honey, maple syrup, etc. are allowed. Have this drink for 15 days and beyond healthy diet for the rest of the day. You will be amazed with the result. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please let me know in the comment section below. And if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to thumbs up and please subscribe. I am back in schedule. I love you so much. Love yourself. I will see you soon with a brand new video. Thank you for watching.